Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
This drive follows Lawrence Avenue in Toronto, Ontario, starting at Yonge Street and continuing east to Victoria Park Avenue. Along the route, Lawrence Avenue showcases a blend of history, natural beauty, and urban development. Lawrence Avenue is named after the Lawrence family, who were early settlers in the area. Peter Lawrence, who arrived from Yorkshire in 1829, purchased a farm near Yonge and Lawrence. The Lawrence family contributed significantly to the community's growth, including helping to establish the first Methodist church in Toronto. At Yonge Street, Lawrence Avenue passes through Lawrence Park, one of Toronto's first planned garden suburbs. Developed in the early 20th century, Lawrence Park is known for its tree-lined streets, large homes, and green spaces, offering a serene environment within the city. Further east, the road intersects with Bayview Avenue, where the west branch of the Don River runs through the area. This section also borders York University's Glendon campus, which is situated on picturesque grounds along the river valley. To the north lies the Bridle Path, one of Toronto's most exclusive neighborhoods, known for its expansive estates and luxurious properties. Continuing eastward, Lawrence Avenue enters the Don Mills area, which is characterized by a mix of residential neighborhoods and commercial developments. The vibrant atmosphere along this stretch reflects Toronto's diversity and urban energy. As the journey reaches Victoria Park Avenue, Lawrence Avenue serves as a boundary between North York and Scarborough. This area highlights Toronto's multicultural identity, with a variety of local businesses, restaurants, and community spaces. Lawrence Avenue offers a glimpse into the history and character of Toronto, blending its natural features with the city's growth and cultural richness.
watching.